Welcome to the world of culture. In this video we will show you the challenge of eating laundry powder. The Ice Challenge and the Mannequin Challenge, a new challenge has begun to sweep the internet, especially among young people and adolescents, the challenge of eating laundry powder. Challenge to eat laundry powder, the most serious challenges of the internet. What characterized the challenge of eating laundry powder from the previous challenges, is to overcome it to all red lines and limits of danger. The ingestion of any small amount of laundry powder can lead to significant health risks that may result in death in the worst of circumstances. The challenge, called Tide Pod Challenge, involves a person chewing on a small box containing liquid detergent and then challenging someone else to do the same, according to Audite Central. The challenge began in 2017 after a college student published a teaser about the attractiveness of the Tide Pod and the temptation to eat it, and then chewed it in the. After a short time, the video spread to a phenomenon that swept the internet and was attended by dozens of young people and teenagers chewing the laundry powder cans and spreading videos through their social accounts to challenge others. Doctors have warned of the danger of challenging the Tide Pod Challenge, because any small amount of powder when ingested may lead to serious health disorders and can cause vomiting, diarrhea and internal burns, and in severe cases may cause death. Cleaners contain highly toxic chemicals such as ethanol, hydrogen peroxide, and various polymers, all of which cannot reach your mouth unless the body has been severely damaged. Despite persistent warnings of this absurd challenge, the American Society of Poison Control Centers, OPSC, has received 40 cases of poisoning by the challenge since the beginning of 2018. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, 10 deaths were reported by eating washing powder cans, 8 deaths from older people with dementia, and 2 cases of children. We hope that this silly challenge will end before the list of injured is increased.